Hello students. In this video, in the exercise 3.3, which is in page number 53, we are going to do in the first problem the fifth subdivision. Look at this problem. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Call this as equation number 1. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 2. Oh, again very complex, very difficult it looks. Do not fear. Take as usual equation number 1. What is that? Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Our aim is, using the substitution method, we need to solve this linear equation. So, I can say root 2x is equal to minus root 3y, or x is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 of y. So, I got a x value which I have to substitute in the next equation. So, equation 2. What is the equation 2? Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Let us substitute this value. Root 3, x value is minus root 3 upon root 2. Root 3 upon root 2, that is x value of y, minus root 8y, which is equal to 0. I have both the terms y, then only I can solve it. Okay. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, 3 divided by root 2 y minus root 8 y is equal to 0. Y is common. Okay. So, root 3 upon root 2 minus root 8, the whole bracket, you close it. Let me check it carefully. I think I have not taken the negative sign here. There is a negative sign here. There is a negative sign here. Okay. So, otherwise the values I have substituted, I have got it now. Now, look at this. This is equal to 0. Now, tell me, this is some number 3 divided by root 2 minus root 8. So, all these things, I can take one more step for you. Root 2 minus root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 of root. 4 root is 2. Okay. So, 2 root 2 of y is equal to 0. Tell me, can a number, this number, can it be equal to 0? It is not possible. So, this part cannot be equal to 0. What does it mean? How can the number become 0? Which means y is equal to 0. Because the constant here, that cannot become 0. But ultimately that means the y, the variable y is becoming 0. If y is 0, naturally anything multiplied by 0 is going to become 0. So, x is equal to 0. You remember in the previous case also, x and y had 0 and 0 as the answer. That means it has many infinite number of solutions for this particular linear equation, set of equation. So, this is the problem. The problem may look complex, but it's not complex. It just we need to know how to substitute, and then if you do slowly by taking the sign properly, you will not commit mistake. It's not a complex problem. It just looks like a complex problem, but the concepts are basic concepts which you learn. Remember carefully, this coefficient cannot be 0. So, ultimately y has to be 0. That is why I find that x and y, so the solutions are infinite. Right. Now, I move on to the next problem. That is the sixth problem. Book. Let me do the sixth problem now. This is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. And x divided by 3 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Very carefully let us watch. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2, and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. This is the last problem in the first one set. Call this as equation number 1, call this as equation number 2. Very simple. We need to simplify this. Let us take the equation number 1. Let us solve this first to simplify. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. 2 3s are 6. So LCM is 6. Take the first term, 3x by 2 multiply by 6. So this and this goes 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So 9x minus. Take the next term, 5y upon 3 multiply by the LCM. It goes 2 times. 5 2s are 10. Y is equal to minus 2. Now 6 is here, so I can take it over there. So 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. This is equation number 3. You see, it's a very simple equation. A linear equation with two variables x and y, right? It doesn't have a denominator and all these complex things. Take the second equation. Let me take equation number 2. Fine. Equation number 2 is x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Again LCM is 6. Fine. And x upon 3 multiply by 6 2 times. So 2x plus y upon 2 multiply by 6, that is 3. So 3y, which is equal to 13 upon 6. Look here. In LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side, 6 6 is same. So you have an equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Call this as equation number 4. Now it is very simple for you to solve it. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Use the substitution method. This is the method which we are using, is substitution method, and solve it. You will get a solution. Again, you go back to the end of your textbook and you will find in the solution and solve it. Do not make substitution errors. That is the main problem we have. Do not make any substitution error. Go slow, go steady, and you will not commit mistake. The answer will come very simple. The problem may look complex, but the multiplication may look complex, but the answer will come very simple. In the next class, next video, we will come with some word problems on pair of linear equations in two variables. Thank you so much.